Hello, Greg with Angel Wings Tech here. And I know our company's primary focus is track day essentials, the track day bars, angel pads, helmets from Black Armor, and Pilates shoes, etc. But of course, with tracking goes maintenance. And this is my wife's 2015 Jaguar XF 3.0 liter. And I was doing the oil change on it. We've only had it for a couple months. But like most cars, Corvettes, they're all GM, their filters are underneath. Searching the internet, I found only one video that talked about where the filter is on that. And that is right here on top. Different from what I'm used to. I was underneath looking for the filter to no avail. And that's what a lot of the other videos pointed to, a filter underneath. So just thought I'd put that information out there. Basically, it's the same thing as everything else. You can open it up, it's a canister type, and that's how you take care of the filter on the 2015 Jaguar XF.